Wolfpack 25PACK12. Pack up your bags and your toys and hit the road in the Wolfpack 25PACK12. A 12-foot garage sits in the rear of this model where you can store all your cargo. Bring along enough fuel to keep you going with the exterior fuel cell. Stash smaller things like bag chairs and folding tables in the pass-through storage area found in the front. Once you reach your destination and unload your toys, you can turn the garage into a bunkhouse. You'll find a set of sofas that come together to make a bed and a happijac power bed above them. The full bath is accessible from the garage and the main living area, so you won't have to track dirt from the garage through the rest of the RV. This full bathroom has a bathtub where you can relax and soak your worries away. Head into the kitchen when you get hungry to create a scrumptious meal with a 3-burner range and convection microwave. You'll have space to relax and enjoy your food on the large dinette. Need added sleeping arrangements? The dinette converts into a bed. There's ample storage in the master bedroom with 2 wardrobes and overhead cabinets that surround a plush queen bed. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.